Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canon Wi-Fi camera to mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, on my camera, click onto menu option, setting option, tap on OK, go to Wi-Fi settings. First enable, so go back, Wi-Fi function, go to Wi-Fi function, now showing here to 5 option: camera, mobile, laptop, internet. I am selecting my phone icon, choose the first option, select your Android or iOS device, like Android, set OK, and now shown here to this IP. Okay, let's go to my phone. So first of all, need to this install apps. Simply go to Play Store, search here to Canon Camera Connection, and you need to first install these apps. So go back, go to Wi-Fi connection, disconnect your Wi-Fi, and now shown here my phone, this and this same, press on and open my these apps. Okay, already showing this option, tap on, press on OK, accept this connection. Okay, now connect phone and DSLR and click on import image, then showing here to your camera to phone image, select and click on to import, then successfully save this selected file. So that's how you can easily connect Canon Wi-Fi camera